Everyone can beatbox. Bongo sound. A beatbox tutorial.
Hello guys, it's Fusion and today I will teach you how to do the dongo sound, and it sounds like that. To do this sound, you must first learn how to do the inward k-snare, because it's really similar. You put your tongue on the roof of your mouth. You don't inhale air. You don't do. You exhale. Then you put like you're doing the throat bass, and with it and you exhale air with the throat bass, and with your tongue in his position, it will sound something like this. After practice, it will work if it doesn't work with you at the first time. Now let's go to the practice beat. The first practice beat is a little bit amusing and simple to learn. You can follow me in the notation here. One more time. And if you focus on this beat, you will find that your tongue is always on the roof of your mouth. It won't move. Let's do it one more time. If you didn't realize before, see this time. The second practice beat is also in amusement, and if when you make it, you will realize that we have three different beats, and you can see them here. Here is a kick drum, the rim shot, and the dongo sound. And if you don't know how to do the rim shot, I'll leave a link in the description. And now let's start with it. Follow me in the notation here. If you didn't do it well, let's try it one more time, and a little bit faster. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please share it to your beatbox friend, or just keep practicing, because practice make perfect. And good luck with your and if you have any issue, just comment in the comment section below, and I'll answer you how to fix your issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.